In this tutorial, I want to share with you how to display all the formulas that are included within a given operation, within a given cell, or within a given number of cells. So there are different ways in which you can display the formulas. So for example, on each formula, for example, down here, I have the mean, the median, the mode, and the standard deviation. If I click on each cell, it's going to show me the formula that's involved in that particular cell. So for example, this cell F31 is on an average of from F2 to F30. Okay, so you can see if you go to the median, for example, E32 is the median of E2 to E30. All right, so you can see a bunch of them, and if you want to see all the formulas, you can have the option to navigate to each cell and click on it, and you can see. But then there's a much quicker way in which you can be able to see all the formulas that are listed in this spreadsheet at once. So to do that, all you need to do is to hold Control key and click on this grave accent key, which is just directly above your tab. Just directly above your tab, you see the key, and you just hit on it. So you hit on Control and that key, and you can see it over here. You can see the formulas are displayed completely, all the formulas. Okay, so when you click on any cell, you can see the cells that are referenced to that particular cell. Right, you click on the cell, you can see the cells highlighted that are directly related to that very cell. Okay, so in any cell you click, you see the cells represented and the operations that is being carried out on that particular cell. So to take it back to the normal view, you still follow the same method, Control and the key. Okay, so you're back to normal. Alternatively, if you want to see the operations that is going on a given cell with regards to other cells, all you need to do is to come to that particular cell and you click on Control and the open square bracket. So you just click on Control and the open square bracket, and you see all the cells that are related or referenced to that particular cell. Right, so whatever operations to show you all the cells that are related directly to that cell. Okay, so for example, we can say cell S11, what are the cells involved? So we just hit on Control and the open square bracket, and it's going to show us exactly the two cells that are related for that particular cell. This can become very much handy when you are dealing with your data and you may want to know exactly what is going on within the data, what kind of operations is being carried out, and you want to know what kind of formulas are involved directly within the operations. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a very quick and short tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.